Greetings. Today is Friday, August 1st, and here's how I made $603 in 3 minutes. There's quite complicated. We have to move quite a few vertical spreads. So I'm moving my first set of vertical spreads, the one that's due the one that's due today, August 1st. They are out the money. The market went down, so I'm going to chase the call down for a significant profit. So I have to move. Right now it's at the previous strike of 574, I believe. But after chase it down, I'm going to bring it down to 560. And as you can see here, it's going to yield a pretty sizable premium times four contracts times 100, yielding over $600. And I also have to move the option that I'm buying, as well. There you go. It's hovering at $600 mark. And I'm going to take the order, shifting a couple points back here and there, see if it makes a difference. Okay, so just probably discussing at the last seconds if it's a good trade. Make sure it's the right strikes, and then hitting the review button, sending it to the send order page. So then after that, I did move the vertical spread that's due August 5th. I brought it back in time, but it took way too long to edit, and it was kind of hard to see, but I'm just going to move my put. And the put, I'm going to move it down. It's going to cost quite a bit of money, $600. But here's the thing. Remember my call leap, the one that's due out in August 29th? I'm going to finance that by pushing that call leap out into October, and that's going to finance moving the put down, essentially at a zero net gain, but it's going to be better position my put tomorrow on Monday. So I have to remember how much it cost, about $600. I'm going to move my call, the original call leap. I'm going to move it. It's due August 29th, but I'm going to move it out past September all the way to October. And then it's going to yield $800. Might be a little bit too much, actually. Push it back forward a date or move the strike up just to really get the yield of 600. You'll see me playing back and forth with the pricing. I'm going to select the better date to move the strike up, and it yields a good amount, maybe even a bit too high. Okay. Sending the order, and then finally I can move the put that's due on today. I'm going to move it to Monday, but I'm going to bring it down. It costs money, but now I have enough funds to cover that trade. Okay, so I'm moving it to 560, bring it down, do the 4th on Monday. And eventually it did get filled. So this shows you it can get complex when the market swings, but here is how I made over $600 trading options. Options are insurance for stocks. And if you use the different tools it has available with leaps, vertical spreads, financing on both sides, you have a lot of options, pun intended. Have a good day, and I'll see you on tomorrow's trade.